In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of OneDrive. If you're new to OneDrive or just looking to refresh your tech skills, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process together step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each action. Let's begin by opening OneDrive on your computer. You can usually find it running in the system tray, represented by a cloud icon at the bottom right corner of your screen in the taskbar. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to expand the system tray by clicking on the small arrow pointing upwards. This will reveal any hidden icons, including OneDrive. Once you've located the icon, go ahead and right-click on it. This will prompt a menu to pop up on your screen. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking Settings will open a new window dedicated to managing various aspects of your OneDrive account. You'll see a series of tabs running along the top of this window: Home, Account, Network, Office, etc. For now, we're focusing on the Account tab. Click on it to access more options related to your OneDrive account status and configuration. Under the Account tab, you'll notice a section detailing the account you're currently logged into. Here, you'll find your email or username, display settings, and other account-related information. To log out, you need to click on the Unlink this PC option, typically found in this section. It's important to understand that by unlinking, you are effectively signing out of OneDrive. This action stops OneDrive from syncing on your computer, but you're not deleting any files stored in the cloud. They're safe and sound, only your computer is disconnected from accessing them directly through this local app. After you click Unlink this PC, you'll be presented with a dialog box confirming your choice. This is a precautionary step to ensure you really want to proceed with signing out. Confirm by clicking the Unlink Account or Sign Out option in the dialog box. Now that you're logged out, you'll notice that the OneDrive icon will probably change or disappear from your system tray. If you need to use OneDrive again, you can easily log back in by clicking the OneDrive icon in your Start menu or running a simple search for OneDrive. Then, just enter your login details, and you're good to go. This entire process doesn't take long and ensures that your files remain private and protected, especially important when using shared or public computers. And there you have it. You now know not just how to log out, but also a bit about what happens in the background when you do so. Remember, understanding these small but crucial steps in tech adds up to a smoother, more secure experience overall. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.